and pay the website a visit. It's going to be another cold night here in the city as temperatures are set to drop into the minus double digits. Once we make our way into the afternoon, though, that's when we get into some tricky weather, and a special weather statement is out by Environment Canada for this. Snow changing to freezing rain. It'll eventually switch over to rain throughout the overnight, 1 to 3 centimeters. Not a huge deal, but the timing is what's somewhat troubling as it starts at about 4 o'clock and then freezing rain by about 7 and some freezing drizzle continuing until about midnight before rain takes over. What we will do here in terms of the Futurecast model is bring in that potential for some of that light snow to arrive once we get into the afternoon. Again, about 1 to 3 centimeters, mixing over to freezing rain, but by about 3 o'clock in the morning, it's all done and clearing out. And what we are going to find ourselves with is temperatures that will actually stay relatively mild. So here's a breakdown of the precipitation types that we are likely going to see. From about 4 o'clock in the afternoon to about 6 or 7, it's light snow. After that, until about 11 or so, it's going to be some light freezing rain, possibly even some ice pellets mixing in, and then rain taking over beyond that and continuing into the morning. How much snow? Not a whole lot. Again, across southern Ontario, it's going to be about 1 to 3 centimeters. Central Ontario will get in that 5 centimeter plus range. But in terms of the potential of seeing some freezing rain, again, not a lot. Nuisance, where it's changing conditions on the roadway, which will impact travel. Not going to be pulling down any tree limbs or power lines or anything like that in terms of this type of a freezing rain event. We just don't have the moisture there to do it. What we will see is temperatures near -9, but in the morning by midday up to about -2, and then in the afternoon we're sitting at -1 with that snowfall starting. We're going to hit a daytime high of 0, and then as we go into the day on Thursday, we're about 3 degrees on the plus side. We're going to stay in positive territory through the weekend. There's another system on Saturday that'll likely bring us some rain, and then we could even see a little bit of snow mixing in late in the day on Sunday. Sunday's going to be windy on top of it as well, and then we cool down for the first part of next week.